Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sims 4 with custom content. First, you'll want to make sure your game is fully updated to ensure compatibility with most custom content. Next, navigate to your Sims 4 folder located in your documents, then Electronic Arts, and finally Sims 4. Inside, you'll find a Mods folder. This is where all your downloaded content will go. Don't forget to enable custom content and script mods in your game options menu. Now, let's talk about finding custom content. Many fantastic creators share their work on various Sims community websites. When downloading, you'll typically look for files ending in package for objects and clothing, or TS4 script for more complex modifications. It's always a good idea to read the descriptions and comments to ensure the content is compatible and safe. Remember to use a good antivirus program to scan any downloaded files before placing them into your game. Once you've downloaded your desired custom content, installation is straightforward. For most items, simply drag and drop the package files directly into your Sims 4 mods folder. Script mods, which are typically TS4 script files, also go directly into this folder. While you can create subfolders for organization, try not to go more than 1 or 2 levels deep, as the game might not recognize content in deeply nested folders. Keep your organization simple and clear. Finally, let's discuss troubleshooting and maintenance. Sometimes, custom content can become outdated or conflict with game updates, causing issues. If your game starts acting strangely, try removing recently added content. It's best to add new content in small batches, perhaps 5 to 10 items at a time, to easily pinpoint any problematic files. Always check for updates to your custom content after a major game patch. Tools like a mod conflict detector can also help identify and remove broken files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.